Vacations do not always mean traveling far. Sometimes the best moments are right outside your door. Today, my wife, granddaughter, and I took a walk around the neighborhood, enjoying the fresh breeze and colorful spring flowers. Let me show Let me show you why staying home can be just as special. No matter where you are, there is beauty to enjoy. Whether it's a walk around your neighborhood or simply relaxing at home, vacations are about making memories. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.